This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole for burritos. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe avocados, 1 fresh lime, and about a 1/4 cup of finely chopped cilantro. Don't forget 1 small red onion, 1 jalapeno for a little kick, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt to enhance all those wonderful flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the avocados. Carefully slice each avocado in half lengthwise and remove the large pit. Then, using a spoon, scoop all that beautiful, creamy green flesh into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Grab a fork or a potato masher and gently mash the avocado. You can go for a super smooth texture or leave it a bit chunky, depending on your preference for your burrito. This is where the magic happens, adding all those vibrant flavors. First, finely dice your red onion and jalapeno. Remember to remove the seeds from the jalapeno if you prefer less heat. Add the chopped cilantro, diced onion, and jalapeno to your mashed avocado. Squeeze the juice of 1 whole lime over the mixture for a bright, zesty kick. Finally, sprinkle in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and stir everything together thoroughly until well combined. Your delicious guacamole is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the salt or lime juice to your liking. For the best flavor, I recommend letting it sit for at least 10 minutes, allowing all those wonderful ingredients to meld together. This recipe yields about 2 cups, which is perfect for 4 to 6 burritos. Serve it immediately or cover it tightly and refrigerate for up to 2 days. Enjoy your homemade burrito guacamole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.